Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a particularly frustrating issue that many Sims 4 players encounter, the dreaded black screen on startup. If your game launches but only shows a black screen instead of the usual loading animation, I've got several proven solutions to get you back to your virtual life. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. This problem often relates to display settings or outdated modifications. First, let's try forcing the game to run in windowed mode. Right-click on the Sims 4 shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, add W, including the space, at the very end of the line. This will launch the game in windowed mode, which often bypasses display-related black screen issues. If that doesn't work, let's address the most common culprit: outdated mods and custom content. Move your entire mods folder from your Sims 4 directory, usually in Documents, Electronic Arts of the Sims 4, to your desktop. Also delete the localpancake.package file from this folder. Now try launching the game again. If it works, you'll need to update your mods before gradually adding them back. While we're troubleshooting, let's reset your game's display settings. Rename the videocards.sgr file in your Sims 4 folder, found in Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, to videocards.sgr.old. The game will generate a new default file when you launch it. For those with graphics cards, let's make sure your drivers are up to date. Visit NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website to download the latest drivers for your specific card model. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of black screen issues. If you're still experiencing problems, let's try repairing the game through Origin or the EA app. Right-click on the Sims 4 in your library and select Repair. This process will verify all game files and replace any that are corrupted. As a last resort, you might need to perform a clean boot to identify software conflicts. Press Windows key +R, type config, and under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart your computer and try launching the game. If it works, you can enable services back in groups to identify the conflict. I know how frustrating the black screen issue can be, especially when you're excited to play. One of these solutions should resolve the problem. For most players, running in windowed mode or updating mods does the trick. If this guide helped you get past the black screen and back to playing The Sims 4, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.